Your kitchen shouldn't drain your time, patience, or motivation to cook. When everything works better, cooking feels faster, cleaner, and surprisingly more satisfying. Less effort, less mess, and a feeling that everything just flows. Small changes can make a huge difference. Easier prep, less cleanup, and way more enjoyment in the process. And once your kitchen feels like that, there's no going back. Stay until the end because the best is still coming. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next gadgets. A mixing bowl set sounds simple until you start cooking and suddenly need a strainer, a lid, a grater, an egg separator, and maybe a bigger kitchen just to survive the mess. This stainless steel set brings together different bowl sizes, a large colander bowl, airtight lids, and useful tools that make prep feel much more organized. The silicone bases help keep everything steady while mixing, because nothing ruins the mood faster than a bowl trying to run away with your batter. They also nest inside each other, so they do not take over the cabinet like they pay rent. Use them for rinsing fruit, tossing salads, storing leftovers, or prepping ingredients without scattering pieces everywhere. You can get it for $23.93. Grinding salt and pepper by hand is fine until the pan is hot. Your hands are busy, and the grinder suddenly acts like it needs a gym membership. This ThermoMaven set seasons automatically with one press, using 6 adjustable coarseness levels so you can go fine, coarse, or exactly where the recipe is trying to boss you around. Each grinder has a larger capacity, Type-C rechargeable battery, and an LED light that shows where the seasoning lands, because guessing with salt is a dangerous game. The stainless steel design looks clean on the counter and saves you from constantly buying batteries. You can get it for $39.99. Perfectly round eggs at home sounds easy until they hit the pan and spread out like they are trying to escape. These stainless steel egg rings keep everything in shape for breakfast sandwiches, English muffins, small pancakes, or mini omelets that look organized instead of rushed. The set includes 4 rings with a non-stick coating, silicone handle covers, an oil brush, and an egg separator, so breakfast prep feels cleaner and less chaotic. They handle high heat, release food easily, and clean up without turning stuck egg into your morning enemy. You can get them for $8.99. Making foam at home can feel fancy, or it can end with milk splattered everywhere like your coffee had a small explosion. The Mystery House Lunafro Max avoids that drama with a rotary speed control that lets you raise or lower the power smoothly, making it great for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, hot chocolate, or protein drinks. It creates creamy foam in seconds, but can also mix drinks without turning your kitchen into a splash zone. It is USB-C rechargeable, can run for months on one charge, and includes 2 detachable whisks with a stand so it does not end up rolling around like a lost spoon. You can get it for $34.99. Cutting vegetables into pretty spirals sounds like chef behavior until the zucchini turns into sad noodles and your counter looks like a healthy confetti explosion. This Fullstar Spiralizer turns zucchini, cucumber, carrots, or sweet potatoes into veggie noodles, ribbons, or spirals with 4 cutting options in one compact tool. The built-in container catches everything as you slice, so the mess does not spread like it has a plan. It also has a finger guard, sharp stainless steel blades, and removable parts that make cleanup easier. Great for salads, snacks, lighter pasta swaps, or adding some fun to vegetables that usually get ignored. You can get it for $19.99. Opening a stubborn jar can turn a calm kitchen into a personal battle with a lid that thinks it is unbeatable. The easy-to-off mounts under the cabinet and stays ready to grip different lid sizes, helping you open jars with one hand and much less effort. It is useful for seniors, weak hands, arthritis, or just those jars sealed like they are guarding treasure. It saves counter space, stays hidden, and shows up right when nobody wants to ask for help opening the sauce. You can get it for $17.99. Some spatulas promise to help, but the moment batter gets sticky or sauce gets thick, they start bending like they suddenly changed careers. This Volley set includes 3 silicone spatulas made for mixing, scraping, folding batter, and cooking without scratching non-stick pans. The shape works like a spoon and a spatula together, so you can scoop more mixture and still clean the sides of the bowl properly, because leaving chocolate behind should probably be illegal. They are heat-resistant, flexible but sturdy, and seamless, so food does not hide in tiny, suspicious cracks. They are also easy to clean and dishwasher safe. You can get them for $11.19. Removing seeds from a bell pepper or jalapeno sounds like a small job until your cutting board is covered in seeds and your hands remind you that spicy peppers do not forgive. This 2-in-1 pepper corer goes into the top, twists, and pulls out the core in a cleaner way, so you are not digging around with your fingers like you are defusing a tiny vegetable bomb. It includes 2 sizes, one for bell peppers and one for smaller peppers, making it useful for stuffed peppers, salads, sauces, snacks, or quick prep without the seed chaos. It can also work on cucumbers, apples, bitter melon, or cupcakes, because apparently even desserts sometimes need minor surgery. Small, simple, and surprisingly handy in the kitchen. You can get it for $5.88. Cutting boiled eggs with a knife sounds easy until the yolk breaks. The slices come out crooked, and the plate starts looking like breakfast gave up halfway. This BIBURY egg slicer uses stainless steel wires to make clean cuts in seconds, whether you want slices, strips, or wedges. It also works with strawberries, mushrooms, kiwi, bananas, and other soft ingredients, so it does not just sit in the drawer waiting for salad day. The non-slip base gives you better control, and the metal build feels sturdier than those fragile slicers that look nervous before touching an egg. When you are done, just rinse it or place it in the dishwasher. You can get it for $9.99. Opening a tight jar sounds simple until the lid starts acting like it is protecting national secrets. This electric jar opener automatically adjusts its grip for different lid sizes, from small spice jars to sauces, pickles, and mason jars, then locks on with stainless steel teeth so it does not slip at the worst moment. After that, you twist the handle with more control and much less effort, which makes it useful for seniors, arthritis, weak hands, or anyone tired of asking the jar to cooperate. It is USB-C rechargeable, includes a non-slip gripper pad, and even opens bottles because apparently it came ready to earn its spot in the kitchen. You can get it for $29.99. Flipping fish, eggs, or burgers with a thick spatula can feel like doing surgery with a shovel. This set includes 2 thin, flexible metal spatulas that slide under food without breaking it halfway through the flip. The stainless steel blades have slots to drain grease or liquid, while the curved edge helps with pancakes, omelets, fillets, or burgers on the grill. The wooden handles give a comfortable grip and that serious chef feeling, even if you are just rescuing breakfast. You get 2 sizes for pans, griddles, or barbecues, and cleanup is simple after cooking. You can get them for $14.77. Straight-cut potatoes are fine, but once they come out with restaurant-style waves, even a carrot suddenly looks more dressed up than most of us at family dinner. This Dragon Creek Crinkle cutter makes wavy cuts on potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, fruits, and kids' snacks, creating decorative slices and crinkle fries without needing a huge kitchen machine. The stainless steel blade gives cleaner, firmer cuts, while the non-slip handle helps you stay in control instead of wrestling a potato like it has personal goals. It is useful for home meals, pretty trays, special dinners, or making vegetables look a little more fun. The polished design also makes it feel gift-ready for anyone who enjoys cooking. You can get it for $18.89. Pouring oil straight from the bottle is risky because you blink once and suddenly the salad is swimming. This oil sprayer helps control the amount better, creating a fine mist over pans, air fryers, vegetables, meat, salads, or barbecue without turning everything into an olive oil pool. It has a glass bottle with stainless steel details, so it looks cleaner in the kitchen and can also work with vinegar, water, soy sauce, or cooking wine. Just press and spread the oil more evenly, especially when you want crisp results without overdoing it. It is small, portable, and easy to clean with hot water, but the real win is making oil finally stop acting like it has its own plans. You can get it for $7.99. Cooking ground meat sounds easy until big chunks refuse to break apart and you end up smashing everything with a spoon, like you accidentally joined a weird kitchen competition. This meat chopper uses 5 wide blades to crumble and mix ground beef, chicken, turkey, potatoes, vegetables, or soft fruits much faster. Just press and twist it in the pan until you get the texture you want, without scratching non-stick cookware because it is made from heat-resistant nylon. It also helps scrape the sides while cooking, which is useful when sauce decides to stick around like it pays rent. Cleanup is simple by hand or in the dishwasher, and it takes up very little space. You can get it for $9.99. Measuring ingredients with random cups works until the recipe starts looking suspicious and you wonder if that was a cup or just a confident guess. This amazing Abbey measuring pitcher holds 32 ounces and works for liquids or dry ingredients like water, oil, vinegar, flour, and powders, with both imperial and metric markings on the same jug so your kitchen does not become a math test. The clear plastic makes it easy to see what you are pouring, but it is also sturdy, stackable, and dishwasher safe, so it does not feel like one of those fragile measuring cups living dangerously near the counter edge. It is practical for cooking, baking, and mixing without using 5 different containers. You can get it for $17.99. Making soup, puree, or a smoothie can start peacefully and end with half the kitchen splashed like the blender had a personal crisis. The Braun MultiQuick 7 helps tame that chaos with a powerful immersion blender that blends, chops, whisks, and processes without making you pull out 3 different appliances. Its speed responds to the pressure of your hand, so you can press lightly for chunkier results or add power when you want something smooth and creamy. The moving blade cuts through tougher ingredients more effectively, while the splash control design helps keep the food in the container instead of decorating the wall. You can also switch attachments with one click for chopping, whisking, mashing, or quick prep. It is the kind of kitchen tool that starts as a helper and somehow becomes the one you reach for every time. You can get it for $109.95. A wet bar of soap can go from clean to sad mush in a few hours, and nobody wants to start the morning scraping off that gooey bottom layer like it is a punishment. This MicoYang silicone soap dish has an angled drain spout that sends water straight into the sink, while raised ridges lift the soap so it can dry better and last longer. It also works for sponges, small dispensers, scrub brushes, or bathroom and kitchen accessories. The silicone base stays in place, will not scratch the counter, and cleanse easily, even in the dishwasher. Simple, but it fixes that damp corner that always seems to have its own agenda. You can get it for $5.98. Separating an egg yolk with the shell looks easy until one side breaks and the egg decides to follow its own plan. These silicone yolk separators turn it into a tiny kitchen trick. Squeeze the character, touch the yolk, release, and it lifts it cleanly so you can move it to another bowl without the mess. The pack comes with pig, fish, and frog designs, so they look like little kitchen helpers saying, "Do not worry, I got this." They are useful for baking, egg whites, desserts, or any recipe where you need quick separation without sticky chaos. Made from safe silicone, they resist odors, clean easily, and can go in the dishwasher. You can get them for $19.99. A dull knife does not cut. It negotiates with the tomato until it turns into a mess, and suddenly cooking feels personal. This electric knife sharpener works in 2 stages, one to bring the edge back and another to polish it for a cleaner finish, without spending half the afternoon doing strange moves with a sharpening stone. It is made for straight-edge knives like chef, slicing, and santoku knives, and it also includes a scissor slot because even scissors get tired of fighting stubborn packaging. The motor runs steadily, the bottom collects metal dust, and the stainless steel design looks more serious than a basic sharpener sitting in a drawer. Fast, practical, and useful for bringing tired knives back from retirement. You can get it for $35.98. Cutting vegetables nicely sounds relaxing until you are 10 minutes in with a cucumber, a grater, and patience that has officially left the kitchen. This Fullstar Mandoline packs 6 functions into one tool, letting you slice, grate, cut fruit, spiralize veggies, and make zoodles without filling the counter with random gadgets. The built-in catch tray keeps pieces from wandering across the counter, while the non-slip base and stainless steel blades make prep faster and cleaner. It also includes a safety glove and finger guard, because nobody wants their salad served with a side of panic. It comes apart easily, is dishwasher safe, and helps make meal prep quicker and more organized. You can get it for $21.99. Peeling potatoes with a knife can seem fast until you remove more potato than skin, and the poor vegetable looks like it went on a forced diet. This Taggia set includes 2 straight blade peelers with non-slip handles for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, pears, and other fruits or vegetables with better control. The swiveling blade follows the shape more smoothly, while the sturdy body helps it feel reliable instead of like it might quit halfway through dinner prep. It also has a potato eye remover, that tiny detail that saves you from carving out half the potato by accident. It is easy to rinse, dishwasher safe, and takes almost no drawer space. You can get them for $6.99. Cutting a pineapple with a knife can feel like opening armored fruit, with juice everywhere and those little eyes fighting to stay behind. This Zule pineapple corer goes in from the top, twists through the fruit, and pulls out clean rings while keeping the shell almost intact, which is great for better presentation or fun drinks. The serrated stainless steel blade helps it move through the pineapple with less effort, and the ergonomic handle gives you more control so you are not wrestling fruit like it is arm day. It also includes an eye remover tool and comes apart for easy dishwasher cleanup. You can get it for $11.86.